Hi guys, there is a separate link to log in to QuickBooks Online Self-Employed, and you need to uh, go through this link. Normally we have intuit.com and then we select QuickBooks Online from sign in options. Here the link is quickbooks.co.uk/accounting software self-employed. So you need to note this one, and after you reach at this page, you have to click there, start free 30-day trial. And if you have, even if you have your login details and you already have purchased this software, but you need to go through this path, then you will click here. The system is little slow, sorry for that. Now you'll get the window in which they're asking you about uh, details to sign up, but you'll click here on sign in option, and this will take you to your sign in window. Now you just need to put your password and ID and sign in. That's it, you are logged in and you can start using your software. Thanks for watching.